everybody! Good morning! My name is Tonia and I'm your English teacher. That's right, give me 5. All right. Okay, listen. Today is the 6th of December, and it's Sunday. Sun. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, today is the last day of the week, and it's time to peel it off. Number 6. Ready, set, go! Look. What is this? It's the North Pole. Ah, the North Pole. Who does live in the North Pole? I don't remember. Ah, yes! Santa Claus! I found Santa suit. Look, it's a little bit small for me. It's my child Emilia suit. Look, but don't worry, it's funny to dress up. Let's have a lot of funny in this magical season, Christmas, okay? And look what I have here. It's a Christmas present. Shall I open to see what's inside? Yes? Everybody, thumbs up. Yes. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look. It's a finger puppet. Let's see. Where does it go? Up, 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 up. Ready, set, go! Where are you, Santa Claus? Hello, my name is Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Hello, Santa Claus. Can I give you a kiss? Yes. Big kiss to Santa Claus. And now, listen, Santa. It's time to show you today's book. It's big. Wow, look, Santa. Sit down because I need a lot of space to show you this beautiful book. It's a book, guardate, questo libro molto grande. È un regalone, ok? Ci possono giocare anche dei fratellini. Adesso vi faccio vedere subito questo mezzo, che è un trattorino che si ha la corda e quindi cammina sulla pista. Ora ve lo faccio vedere qui. Se ne va. Ecco, adesso vi mostro. Ci sono 3 storie di Poppy and Sam. Guardate un po'. Questa è la storia, la prima storia. E queste, guardate che meraviglia, sono le sagome dei personaggi che vanno staccati e montati qui sulla questa grande pista dove poi andrà il nostro magnifico trenino. Where is the start? Start. Let's start here. Ow! Wow! Look! Go, 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 tractor! Mettiamo qui le sagome e quindi diamo vita alla storia. Ancora un'altra storia, pista e storia e pista! È un libro resistente e davvero con questo anche trattorino e tutti i personaggi potrete imparare insieme le storie di Poppy and Sam. And now it's time to say bye-bye and see you tomorrow. Say bye-bye, Santa. Bye-bye. Bye. A big kiss and happy Sunday.